Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a simple flyer on CorelDRAW. Alright guys, so what you need to do is get the dimensions of your flyer first of all, which is right at the top here. The dimension for this flyer is 8.0 by 6.0 inches. Make sure you check your units to be inches. Now let's start. You go to the left, the top, your toolbar, and double click on your rectangle tool to get a shape around your page. Or you could simply just click on the rectangle tool and then draw what you want first. So either way works. Let's begin by clicking on the rectangle tool, draw, and let's check. This is 8 and this is 6. There we go. Next thing you need to do is take this image we have right here, just enlarge it by using the nodes by the sides. There we go. Then you could simply just right click and hold, then drag into the page of your drawing and select all clip inside. There you have it. Your image is inside. Now we can simply edit this flyer by double clicking on this image, then click again, go to the nodes, expand by holding shift so everything moves together, and then just take this one side, just adjust it to your taste. Let's still take this up a bit. Alright, here we go. Let's take this. Alright, and once you're done, you click on finish. Now you can see there's an outline which is black. You can simply take that off by just going to the right side of your color palette where you have this here. Just right click on it and it's gone. Next, press P on your keyboard to center the page, and let's go back into editing this image. Next thing we need to do is double click on this image, go to your rectangle tool, draw another rectangle, select the color black, right click here to remove the outline, then drop your tool. Next, go to the top the toolbar and select transparency tool, and then come down here a bit, reduce the opacity a bit. There we go. Drop your tool and click on finish. Next thing you want to do is the write-ups. So all you need to do is select your text tool right here, click anywhere, type, expand what you just typed, go to your font list. The name of this font is called Have Heart. So you type in HAVE and wait for it to pop up. There we go, Have Heart 1. Then select and wait for it. Now drag your text onto your image or design and expand it a bit. Select the color white. There you go. Next thing you want to do is hold shift while this is still clicked on. Click on your image, then press CE to center the page. And then next thing to do is type the other text. Now when typing this introducing, I prefer using the space methods. There you go. Just space in between every word, and let's make use of letter bold. Take it up, select white, hold shift, click on your image, press C. There we go. Now we need to reduce this a little bit, just by 21.54. Just take it down a bit. Let's reduce it a bit again. And finally, all you need to do to get this text down here, just click. All you need to do, hold Control, click on your text, drag down, then simply right click, and then edit the text featuring Lady Sativa and Demi. That is Sativa and Demi. Next, just adjust it to 18 size, then hold Shift, click on the image and press C. There you have it. Simple as that. This is how you can achieve something as simple as this. If you're not happy with the text spacing, you can always add more space just by moving in between, and this is called curling. Then once you're done arranging, just hold Shift, click on the image, press C, and there we go. So you can actually achieve this with any image at all. And also you can double click again on your image, edit the power clip image, and select any other color you would like to make use of. When you're done, click on finish, and you have this. So just play around with different colors to see how it fits what you're trying to design. There you have it.